Hello and welcome to another episode. I'm your host, Dennis Orogun, insurance professional, retirement planner, and your trusted guide on a journey to financial peace of mind. Today's episode is about a statement I hear over and over again. Can I afford to buy life assurance in Nigeria? Now let us be honest. Life is hard. Prices are going up in Nigeria. Salaries are tight. So, is this concern really valid? Or is it a mere mystery or a mere deceit? Let us break it down together. What is life assurance? And why should you care? Let's start with the basics. Life is not just a product, but a reach. It is a financial safety net that ensures your loved one do not suffer financially if something happens to you. It is not about expecting death. It's about preparing for the unexpected. Because the truth is, life is very fragile. Anything can happen anytime. You don't buy life insurance because you are going to die. That's not right. You buy it because those you love are going to live. And here is the part most people do not realize. Life insurance is affordable. I can say that often and often. And life insurance is affordable. Let us share a real life experience. A school teacher in Lagos, young, passionate, hardworking lady, took out 20,000 annual life cover. She wasn't wealthy, but she said, let me do something small for my family. Unfortunately, she passed away 2 years later. But that 2 million pay off their loans, cover their children's school fees, and keep the family financially afloat again. That 20,000 yearly income turned into a legacy of protection and love for the family. And that is the purpose of life assurance. In Nigeria, as little as 10,000 to 15,000 naira per year, a year, you can get a basic life cover that provides a significant payout to your family if the worst thing happens or in the event of death. That is about 1,000 a month, less than the cost of night out or a few cups of coffee or bottle of beer. Think about it. You probably spend about 1,500 on airtime or data. Some people even spend 2,000 occasionally on fast foods or snacks, easily over 6,000 or 10,000 monthly on what we call soft luxuries. Now imagine setting aside 3,000 each month for life insurance. That can give you 1 million to 2 million cover, depending on your age and your health profile. When people say, I can't afford it, what they often mean to say is, it is not my priority now. And let us be honest, most people do not plan to die young. But the truth remains, accident or illness does not check on age. Planning is bringing the future into the present so that you can do something about it now. Let us try to address 3 of the most common excuses I hear people say. 1, I am too young to buy life assurance. That is actually the best time to pay for it, if you ask me. Why and what do you mean? Premiums are much cheaper when you are young and healthy. Waiting only make it more expensive or sometimes too late. So, I don't trust insurance companies. Yes, that sounds fair, understandable, but they are licensed, they are regulated insurers in Nigeria, usually overseen by NICOM, the National Insurance Commission. The key is, or my advice to you is very simple. Read your policy. Ask questions. Work with trusted brokers and advisors like me or a trusted insurance broking firm. 3, I will do it later. That's another excuse that most people say. I will do it later. Later often turns into never. Never doing it. And by the time you are ready, your health might have changed, making it ineligible or premium unaffordable. Like the Chinese proverb, which is true. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time to plant a tree is now. Start today. If you are listening to me and you haven't thought seriously about life insurance, here is how to start one today. Start small, but start now. Even with 1,000 naira a month is better than nothing. Just do what? Start. Speak to professionals. Talk to a licensed insurance broker or an agent who can guide you based on your income, your goals, your health status. I'm always here to give you the best guide, advise you on how to get the best and to secure your future with insurance policy. My closing words, before we wrap up, I want you to ask yourself one question. If I do not wake up tomorrow, how would my family cope? That's a million question. But think about it. If that question makes you pause, then it is time to act. Life assurance is not for the rich people. It is not a luxury either. It is a lifeline, a responsibility, and an act. Thank you for tuning in to today's episode. If you find value in today's conversation, share it with your friends, your spouse, a colleague. Let us demystify insurance, one episode after the other. Until next time, I say to you, stay protected, stay informed, and stay prepared.